Hey folks, glad to be here with you. I'm Adam, this is Molly, and we are thrilled to tell you about the extra large Lehmann sale out by Connors Lake between Winter and Phillips, Wisconsin. Now, if you don't know where that is, it doesn't matter because we ship nationwide. We even ship worldwide to friendly countries. So Molly, what can you tell us about this sale?
Well, this is a huge sale. It's larger than we normally have, about twice as large. So give yourself plenty of time to look through the catalog. Make sure you can check out everything that's there before it starts to end at 6 p.m. Sunday, April 13th, this coming Sunday. For the people that will be picking up and have bought with us before, please note, pickup is not Tuesday this time. We customarily have it on a Tuesday, but this time it'll be Wednesday from 9:30 until 6.
Get an account formed so you can make a watch list. I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. And then with that watch list, you can just every night after supper go in, maybe do 200 lots, 400 lots.
And we'd love it if you came to see us at Open House this Saturday. We'll be there 9 until 11, and you can come look at the items for yourself. It's a very nice, clean estate. Lots of great stuff to see.
There's a lot of collectible Stanley, Miller's Falls,
Yes.
Craftsman items. What do you remember upstairs?
Oh, well, the thing I remember the most, there was a canoe hanging from the ceiling. It's a beautiful restored canoe. It's pretty cool.
For those of you that think that auctioneers make too much money, check out my Legacy Dell here. Is this a touchscreen?
I guess it is.
Anyway, when you're in the catalog on a computer, over here is a tab that says terms. If you click that, it's going to tell you everything you want to know about the sale and more. After you do that, if you have questions, feel free to call me. The information section on a phone, when you're in that catalog, is a circled lowercase I. You click on that and it will give you the terms of the sale. Here again, location, pickup time, open house time, all that stuff. Once you get in that catalog and you have formed an account, you're logged in, you can click that star in the upper left of the picture of the item you're interested in, and it will put it on a watch list for you. Then you can select that 3x3 square, and it'll pop up and look like that. You can select My Items, and it will only show you items that you have expressed interest in. Now, that's especially important in an auction like this, 2,200 items. Not many of you are going to want to look through that entire catalog more than once. So get your account set up, get the watch list set up.
We split the catalog into groups. So there's a group of lots, that's all the large equipment. That's up kind of towards the front. There's grouping of lots for the antique Stanley tools, groupings for the garden, outdoor. If you take a look next to the video that you're watching here, there should be, it'll tell the number series. You can kind of hone in on the exact things you want to look at that way.
We would like to thank the Lehmann family for selecting us to be of service. We're grateful for it. It's been a really fun sale to prep, right?
Yes, very fun.
A good time, nice clean stuff, high quality stuff. Come on out, see us at Open House, and happy bidding.
Thank you.
Thank you.